top headlines for the day.
Okay, so we already know that Deepika Padukone won millions of hearts when she essayed Meenamma in Shah Rukh Khan's starrer Chennai Express. And remember the famous dialogue Bakwas? But what really grabbed our attention was Dippy Baby's lungi in the film's poster. Donning a shirt with a cotton sheet and checkered design lungi, she looked like a spicy Saudi, we must say. Looks like even Sunny Leone has followed the suit. How? Because we saw her wearing a lungi in one of the Telugu film's item numbers, Karan Thiga. We've seen her in a number of outfits, but this stands out. Man, this busty babe knows how to look sexy, isn't it? So peeps, take a look at the pictures and do tell us who according to you looks sexy in lungi, Sunny or Deepika? Looks like we are awaiting some maddening fun this weekend. Shah Rukh is said to be promoting Happy New Year on comedy nights along with his entire star cast. But before that, did you check out this promo? Oh, it's hilarious. Kapil is trying to fit in his English antics while in conversation with Shah Rukh, and what a star, boy! How can he be so good at being bad? He engages his badly vocabbed English with SRK in a way that might also put our grammar Nazis at shame. Oh, you got to watch this stuff. In fact, if this was the case with Shah Rukh, imagine what Kapil has in store for the remaining Deepika, Baman, Farah, Abhishek, Sonu and Vivan. For sure a laughter marathon. So watch out for this Happy New Year episode and stay tuned for more. Okay, so there is no love to carry forward. Not long ago did we hear Armaan Kohli and Tanisha Mukherjee's breakup story from our Bigg Boss Flames. Here comes another one with our much in love Kushal Tandon and Gauhar Khan's sad fate. Yes, sadly the two are no more together. Wait, what? Come again? Are you serious? I mean, they were quite serious and were also to tie the knot, na? Then, well, we don't know what went wrong, but Kushal recently took up to Twitter and sobbed like how we had Armaan's tweet a few days back. Kushal tweeted saying, "There's nothing called Gauhar, guys. I'm sorry to break the news. Gauhar and I are no more together. Love and peace." Well, we don't know how to react. Maybe this was meant to happen or maybe no. What do you have to say?
Tan-ta-da! Finally a declaration coming up. From what we hear, the much and loved Ranbir Kapoor and Katrina Kaif are planning to tie the knot in February 2015. That's just 4 months from now. Wait, what? Are you serious? Well, looks like a yes, darling. I mean, we have quite a few evidences to infer through this conclusion, you know. From spotting them together at Bollywood do's to smelling their live-in stance from a new apartment, Ranbir and Katrina have almost become like an inseparable magnet out there. In fact, lately, we also had some speculations around their hush-hush engagement ceremony that was done up abroad. So knock knock, you two. Is it finally time to print the wedding cards? Well, I think we'll have to wait for an official confirmation, but until then, share some love with these two muses.
Who doesn't like receiving awards? Wait, I think Salman Khan said he prefers rewards over awards, no? Anyway, leaving that aside, here's taking you through a sneak peek into Salman's performance from the much-awaited Star Box Office India Awards. Yes, it's the first edition of Star Box Office India, and like its starry name, the event graced to a lot of shimmer, celebrity beamer, paparazzi trimmer, and well, you know what? We had Ayushmann being one of the hosts, and we had an aligned number of performances coming from Shah Rukh, Deepika, Arjun, Priyanka, and of course, our show stealer Salman Khan. Oh, he gave a Casanova high that I'm sure you wouldn't to miss. So watch out for Star Box Office India Awards this 19th, sharp at 7, only on Star Plus. Salman Khan and Katrina Kaif might be over as a couple, but the former just can't get enough of this chick. Not now, not ever. Like, we aren't saying it just like that. Salman seems to be proving it all on his controversial show Bigg Boss, or maybe let's say he's projected to do so. So yes, while in the previous season he compared Ellie Avram's Hindi to Katrina, this season owes its cat share to Sonali Raut. Wait, what? Sonali and Katrina? Do they even have one thing in common? Well, we don't think so, and neither has Salman confessed about the same. But Sonali spilled out the bean to Sushant, bragging that Salman complimented her in resemblance to Katrina. Oh, how much can one fake it now? Too bad.